Dub Barron's a different kind of dude. You see, he's more concerned that you respect him and learn to like him than like him and never respect him. He stands for something. He steps over mess and not in it. He's not rearranging the deck chairs of the Titanic in his own life, and he doesn't want you to do that either. He wants you to live your best life. He wants you to be your best person. He may tell you things that, ouch, but so did your parents. And ultimately, you knew they were right too. I think you should listen to Dub Barron. He's on to something.